MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 unboxing is coming out right after this. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to Tech Trends. If you're new here, I make tech related videos just like this one. If this is your kind of a thing, then consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. So I just bought a MacBook Pro 13-inch non-touch bar model for traveling. This is the base model of MacBook Pro with 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. And here are the specs. Now let's unbox the MacBook. So in the box, you get USB-C charging cable, some paperwork with Apple stickers inside, and this 61-watt power adapter. This model is very similar to 2018 MacBook Pro, almost no design changes. I have no problem with that, it looks beautiful. This MacBook has a beautiful 2560 by 1600 resolution display with 227 pixels per inch. It has a brightness rating of 500 nits. The trackpad on this thing is huge. I absolutely love it. This MacBook has two Thunderbolt 3 ports and a headphone jack. So that's all for today. I'll do a full review of this MacBook Pro soon. So subscribe for that. Like the video if you enjoyed it, dislike it if you didn't. Have a great day and peace.